friends, I am so excited because I am unboxing the iRESTORE laser device. If you are new here, my name is Imane. I suffer from hair loss. The reason why I'm so excited to try the iRESTORE laser device is because there are thousands of reviews on Amazon and there is amazing before and after pictures of so many people who have tried the device for their hair loss and have seen amazing results. I'm on their Instagram now and flicking through some of the pictures of some people's hair loss, which looks like mine. Is amazing how much it stimulates hair growth. I'm going to be using the device every other day for 6 months. So if you want to see my results and see if it works for me, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when the video comes out. If you are skeptical about this device, let's dive into the science. So the laser technology uses light energy that is absorbed by the hair follicles to increase cell efficiency. It really feeds the hair follicles to stimulate thicker, stronger, more healthier hair. The process extends the growth phase of the hair, reactivates dormant follicles to combat hair loss, receding hairlines, and balding spots. Dr. Larson says that it's like watering a plant that you haven't watered in a long time. And that makes complete sense to me because everything is energy. Our hair is basically dead. The only way that we're going to help stimulate hair growth is to provide it with the energy to grow. This technology has been clinically proven. It's been shown in trials to stimulate hair growth and help combat hair loss. What's great about iRESTORE is that they have a 12-month money-back guarantee and they pay for your return, unlike some other brands. It has been FDA cleared for both efficacy and safety. This technology is safe, effective, and drug-free without the side effects. So the device has 282 lasers and LEDs. So you have the benefit of both lasers and LEDs for maximum coverage across your hair. It's super comfortable because it has these removable cushions. See here, it's covering pretty much. It has extended side and back panels for maximum scalp coverage. So you can see here my whole scalp is covered as well as the sides. So you're getting really good coverage across the whole scalp. Some other brands, you don't get that coverage. So the fact it has both lasers and LEDs, this is going to give you optimal energy and health benefits. So you have this remote control which will allow you to do a 25-minute timer, and it will only switch on if you have it on your head. It comes with a charger and a battery pack, so if you're on the go, you can also use it when you're traveling, which is great because you need to use it every other day for best results. It's not recommended to use it more than every other day because your hair needs time to reset and to heal. So the energy on one of the days and then a day off the next day will help your hair to renew. So use the timer for 25 minutes, pop it on your head. I just like to watch TV, or if I am working, I will just watch YouTube videos while putting it on, having a chat with my mate. You can literally put it on your head for 25 minutes and literally get on with your day. It's that simple. What's great also is that if you need to go and do something, like now I need to open the door because someone's knocking on my door, I can literally just pause it and then there we go. Go and open the door and I'll come back and re-blast my hair follicles. Let's do it. The fact that they have a 12-month money-back guarantee is just amazing because if you don't get results, then you can literally send it back and get all your money back. And if you do see results, then amazing for you as well. There is literally no risk because if it doesn't work for you, you can literally just send it back and get your money. iRESTORE are also doing a monthly giveaway where they are giving one lucky winner a month a free laser device. So I will link the competition in my description because guys, I also want you guys to go on this journey with me and get beautiful, thick hair. So if you are interested, make sure to check it out. Yes, I do have new glasses. I really like them. Tell me if you like them. If you like my new glasses, comment a glasses emoji. iRESTORE is kindly sponsoring this video and they did send me some other products which I will be reviewing as well. So they sent me some hair gummy vitamins which has biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, coconut oil, and it's got lemon, orange and cherry flavors. So this is gluten-free and vegan, natural fruit flavors, a 3-in-1 hair growth formula. So this has biotin, saw palmetto and is a natural DHT blocker. I'm actually running out of saw palmetto, so For those of you who don't know, saw palmetto is a natural DHT blocker, and DHT is the enzyme that converts testosterone and then miniaturizes hair by binding to the hair follicle, restricting blood flow, and can be a major cause of hair loss. Also have shampoo and conditioner, which I am very excited to use. As you know, I tried Monat hair products. I wasn't blown away, so I'm excited to try a different shampoo brand with iRESTORE. It's good to switch up your shampoo and conditioner now and again because your hair will get used to the shampoo that you're using if you use it for a long period of time. So this is an anti-hair loss shampoo, advanced volumizing formula. It nourishes hair to promote fuller, healthier and thicker hair. So the conditioner has biotin, keratin and amino acids and argan oil, so I'm excited to see whether this makes my hair softer than it is. So today is the 22nd of April and this is what my hair loss looks like today. So I took a picture today, but I'll show you guys on screen as well, and I'll just plot my hair in the middle. So I'm excited to get thicker, fuller, more healthier hair using the iRESTORE device. So if you want to see the results and whether it works for me, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in 3 and 6 months time to hopefully show you my new baby hairs. If you're interested in combating hair loss, make sure to check out my How to Beat Hair Loss playlist. Bye!